In this video, I will show you how to make Twitter account private. Firstly, you need to launch the application, then you need to tap on your left upper side on your profile icon. When you get there, you need to scroll down and go for settings and privacy. When you get right over there, you're going to be available to choose between more options in which you need to go for the right one in this side, the right side to get up and take over your account to private section. It is by choosing the fourth selection, privacy and safety. When you get there, you're going to be available to choose again between many options in which you need to choose the side section, which is for getting up the right thing. Getting up the right thing right over here, it is by the side, which here, as you can see, you have many different sites. You can go on that selection, you can try with this one, and right here, if you want to protect your tweets, you need simply to take over and you need to make sure that this button is turned on, and with this you're gonna take off your account to that private section.